thank you for joining me today. I was so excited when I saw these on the Ulta site. This is the Milani and Salt N Pepa collaboration. And I must admit, I kind of thought it was a weird brand for this one, but I loved Salt N Pepa. I've always still liked them, but I saw them in concert in the early 90s, yeah. And I think, yeah, well, it had to have been. And when I saw this, I was like, I instantly had to order it and try it because I just had to. I mean, it's awesome, right? I would love to know down below if after watching this, if you would like to see a full review on these. Milani is cruelty free. And as you can see, this palette is like a CD. And you have the mirror there. Isn't that so cool? And then like that. So this is personally designed by Salt N Pepa. And it does have the ingredients on the back. The palette is made in Taiwan. The lip pencil is made in the US with non-US components. And the lipstick is made in Italy with imported components. So these are what we have to try out today. And I will have everything that I'm wearing today listed down below and the prices if you are interested. So let's get on to trying these out. And when I hear their song Push It, I always think about the skating rink. Is there anyone else out there that was a regular at their local skating rink? And I can just picture going around the rink. It was so much fun. What it looks like. And I will go ahead and swatch the colors. And it does have the ingredients on the back of each color. It has the names of each of the shadows. Yeah, it's so cute. It's the songs. So Break of Dawn, PSA, Groove Me, No One Does It Better, Somebody's Getting on My Nerves, What a Man, None of Your Business, Heaven or Hell, Shoop, Big Shot, Turn Me On, Summertime Man, I don't remember that one, and Platinum Status. So very awesome. I will go ahead and swatch them for you right now. You swatch pretty good, pretty decent there. So the black one isn't quite as pigmented as the other one. You have the one in the middle. There are our colors. And they may be pretty long wearing because that is with a couple swipes of an eye makeup remover. You can see there is a lot of shimmers and glitters in this palette. To start with, I sprayed the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. I used the e.l.f. Eyebrow Gel in Clear. And then to prime my lids, I used the Pacifica Concealer. So now we can go in and start creating a look. This is a Wet n Wild fluffy brush, and I'm putting down, let's see if I'm going to be able to do this. Figure out which is which. I'm putting down the beige type color. I was just so excited when I saw this. I was like, oh, I have to order it ASAP. I'm gonna get out another palette. This is the Too Faced Naked Eye. This is in my pan project, and I have been neglecting to use this one. So the brown right here, I'm just going to put that into my crease. I feel like I just need a little something more than what's in the palette. Just something for everything to blend into. So I'm gonna go in with the more matte. It's more of like a shimmer, I think. Kind of a metallic-y finish. I'd say that I'm getting the vibes of more like a grungy type palette, if that makes sense, rather than like the pastel or brights. Then I'm going to go back to that beige color to try to blend this all out. They do blend out pretty good though. So we're going to see how this works. I'm just going to put that green again kind of all over, just swipe it on. Instead of using a ton of colors on this look, we're just gonna see how this one turns out. I really look like I have a black eye right now when I look into the monitor, just with one done like that. Glittery green looks if I pat that on. Okay, that adds some brightness. Oh yeah, I like that green. Okay. Ooh. I like that. I'm gonna put this all over the lid, movable lid. There is some major fallout. Can you see that? So I would definitely recommend doing your eyes before your face makeup with this one. So putting it on with a wet brush, you definitely have more control over the glitter, and there seems to be less fallout than when you apply it with your finger. However, you get a little bit of a brighter glitter if you put it on with your finger, but it's pretty close. So I would probably say wetting the brush, because then you're going to get less of the fallout, would be my, on first impression, that is my recommended way. So I have finished my other eye, finished my face. Now let's talk about the lipstick. So we have, this is Lip Kit. The one I have is Push It. They have two, red and a brown one. And let's see. So you have an eye and a lip pencil, understated lip liner, Push It, number 230. This is made in the US. Then we have the lipstick, and I really like the component. Here's how that looks, and it has the logo on the back. Color is on the bottom, and that is some red. But I was afraid the brown would be too brown for me, so I wasn't sure, but yeah, look at that. So let's line the lips first, and it is one that you just twist up to sharpen. Pretty creamy, goes on easy to use, no problems there. So easy to apply, pretty creamy. Let's talk about how these apply. Let me know if you would like me to do a full review of both of those items, where I will actually grade the packaging, longevity, colors, stuff like that. Let me know down below. But on first impression, I really like the packaging. I think it's cute that it looks like a CD, and how the names are on the back. It's a little hard to figure out maybe what names go with what shadows, but you know, do we really need to know that always? Not necessary, so I don't think that's a huge deal. There was definitely some fallout, and I think that the only thing with this is it is mostly metallics and glitters. So you don't really have, if you're a matte girl, matte shadow eye girl, I would not recommend this palette for you, because these are really just your two matte shades. Most of them have some form of shimmer in them, so I wouldn't really call those matte. It does say eyeshadow and highlighter palette, which made me think that maybe this silvery color, or that I could use as a highlighter, but for me those are going to be way too much as a highlight. So I don't really look at this as a face and eye palette, and maybe for a highlight they just meant like on the brow bone, and instead of, when I see highlight on a palette, I think of like using it on your cheek. But there you go. So the Lip Kit, again, there was two colors, this red and brown. I do like the Lip Kit. I like that you have your eyeliner, your lip liner and lipstick that matches right in the kit, and this I'm happy with. I think they were both easy to apply. They're creamy. So this is about 7 hours in of wearing the Milani Salt N Pepa. So as you can see, the eyeshadow is looking pretty good still. I did not use an eyeshadow primer, just put on the concealer, and the sparkle is still sparkling. There's a little bit of fallout of the glitter sparkle, but not too much. So I'd say that's pretty good, holding up. The lip color is really good. I ate dinner, had some pop, drank some water, and yeah, still holding pretty good, I'd say. So yay, A+ on that one. Are you tempted to pick these up, or are you going to pass? I would love to know down below what you think. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love if you would join. It is free to you. You can click on my face and that will take you to the button to subscribe. If you want to watch some more videos that I have done, I will put some of those up. You can click on them and that will take you to those videos. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back here next time.